If skipping was only practiced by 12-year-old girls, then we doubt anyone would ask if it's possible to build muscle by doing it. But every boxer you can think of, from heavyweight champions of the world to the most amateur, everyone jumps rope, so there must be more to this simple jumping exercise. Whether your skill level is advanced enough to bust out a few criss-cross moves or you're just starting, jumping rope is a fantastic way to get fit. Incorporating jump rope circuits in a strength training routine or sprinkling them in a high-intensity interval training workout can boost your heart rate and burn some serious calories. Most people know that jump rope workout is a great cardiovascular workout, but do you know that it also builds muscle in a major way? Yes, one of the benefits of jumping rope is building muscle, and that muscle makes you stronger and improves your overall health. So the question is, what muscles does jump rope work? In this video we are going to break down the main muscles jump rope works on, and we will also tell you how to target each of them for maximum muscle gains. Number 1. Thighs and hips muscles. While jumping, your quads, glutes, and hamstrings are working hard. These muscles are some of the largest in the entire human body. They powerfully strengthens your knees and hips, and that's a good news for anyone who wants to improve their strength, running power, or body composition. If you want to work more on your glutes, try incorporating some single leg jump rope exercises into your routine. Number 2. Calves muscles. This is the primary muscle group that jumping rope works. Comprising both the gastrocnemius and the soleus muscles, the calves are in charge of extending your ankles with each jump, and according to the American Council on Exercise, jumping rope also improves the elasticity of the connective tissue surrounding the calf muscles, which results in more power and less chance of injury. To best build your calf muscles with jump rope exercises, always try to jump and land on the balls of your feet. Number 3. Shoulders and back muscles. While doing jump rope, you probably won't feel much happening in your shoulders or back. But if you prioritize good form, keeping your shoulders firm and scaps pinned down and back, your rhomboids, deltoids, and rotator cuffs will get major benefits. Your shoulder stabilizers control the constantly shifting weight of the rope. Increased shoulder strength is also critical to reducing the risk of injury in exercises like overhead presses and back squats. Number 4. Core muscles. One of the most underappreciated benefits of jumping rope is amazing core strength. When you are jumping rope, you should engage your core to get the most out of the exercise. Keeping your core in a straight, rigid line will allow the most efficient transfer of power between your lower and upper body while also protecting your lower back from the impact forces associated with each landing. And if you also want to target your oblique muscles, try adding side-to-side hops into your jump rope workout. Number 5. Arms muscles. Jump rope builds arm muscle by training isometric strength in your forearms. It improves your forearms and grip strength, which is great for your overall exercise performance and progress. The small muscles of your finger flexors are the linchpin to performing chin-ups, deadlifts, and most of the exercises. Which means improving your grip will help you improve at everything. So, do you like rope skipping? What's your personal record of this exercise? Please share with us in the comments. If you find this video informative, give it a like and share with your friends. Subscribe the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Here are some more videos you may like to watch. Thanks for watching.